the Indian Medical Association, Goa chapter, the Goa State Legal Services Authority, and the Goa State Administration have all come together and made a beginning. And I must say that Goa is the first state which has formalized to some extent the implementation of the directives issued by the Supreme Court of India. And that is what is the significance of today's momentous occasion. I mean, let us be fair that all of us have these thoughts. It's not just the people of Goa, but people all over. But there is always a difference between having good thoughts and taking the first steps to implement them. So this is just the beginning. I'm sure there are going to be teething issues which we are all confident we will overcome. But the importance of today's occasion is that this is the first step in a correct direction. And I compliment all those who are involved in taking this first step.